बार बार दिन ये आए, बार बार दिल ये गाए, बार बार दिन ये आए, बार बार दिल ये गाए, तुझे हजारों साल ये मेरी है आरज़ू। हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू, हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू, हैप्पी बर्थडे टू मधुमिता, हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू। बार बार दिन ये आए, बार बार दिल ये गाए, तुझे हजारों साल ये मेरी है आरज़ू। हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू, ओहो हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू, ओहो हैप्पी बर्थडे टू मधुमिता, हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू।
Happy birthday, Madhumita. God bless you.
ਹਾਏ ਨੀ ਤੇਰੇ ਹੈਪੀ ਬਰਥਡੇ ਤੇ, ਹਾਏ ਨੀ ਤੈਨੂੰ ਹੈਪੀ ਬਰਥਡੇ ਨੀ, ਹਾਏ ਨੀ ਤੇਰੇ ਹੈਪੀ ਬਰਥਡੇ ਤੇ, ਹਾਏ ਨੀ ਤੈਨੂੰ ਹੈਪੀ ਬਰਥਡੇ ਨੀ, ਕਹਿ ਕੇ ਦੇਣਾ 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 ਦੇਣਾ, ਸੂਟ ਤੈਨੂੰ ਪਟਿਆਲਾ ਸ਼ਾਹੀ ਸੋਹਣੀਏ ਲੈ ਕੇ ਦੇਣਾ, ਸੂਟ ਤੈਨੂੰ ਪਟਿਆਲਾ ਸ਼ਾਹੀ ਸੋਹਣੀਏ ਲੈ ਕੇ ਦੇਣਾ।
Hello Madhu, good morning. Happy birthday to you. God bless you. Enjoy the day. Have lots of fun. Take care. Many happy returns of the day. Bye.
হাই মাধু, আমি তোমার শুভ জন্মদিন কামনা করি। আশা করি তোমার দিনটি ভালো কাটবে, ভালো থাকবেন। হ্যাপি বার্থডে, হোপ ইয়োর ডে গোজ অ্যামেজিং।
Hello Madhumita, good morning. Wish you happy birthday. Many happy returns of the day. Have fun. Enjoy your birthday today. Bye.
मॉर्निंग मधुमिता, मेरी हैप्पी रिटर्न्स ऑफ द डे। तुम अपने नाम के जैसे ही हो, स्वीट हनी मधुमिता। एंड बड़ा कहना चाहता हूँ मधुमिता कि तुम्हारे और संजीव प्रीता तुम्हारी जॉइंट एफर्ट से याराना पॉसिबल हुआ, और तुमसे मिलने के बाद तो बहुत अच्छा लगा। कई वर्षों बाद कुर्सी में रहती थी तो मैं और रवि आए थे, चाहे तुम रवि के घर में रहते। तुम बहुत इंट्रोवर्ट सी लग रही थी, लेकिन जब इस बार मुलाकात हुई कई सालों बाद, तो तुमसे तुम बहुत ही अलग पर्सनालिटी की हो। तुम एक मोटिवेटर हो, तुम बहुत सोशली एक्टिव हो, तुम्हारा लाइफ के प्रति आउटलुक बहुत ही अच्छा है। तो ये सब चीज़ जान के बहुत अच्छा लगा। मेरे हिसाब से तो तुम्हें कोई पब्लिक स्पीकिंग कोर्स किया है, या तुम्हें एक किसी कंपनी का में मोटिवेशनल स्पीकर बनकर जाना चाहिए, या तो फिर तुमने ट्रेनिंग की होगी। तुम्हारे जो व्हाट्सएप की पोस्ट हैं उससे मुझे तो यही लगता है। सो दैट इज़ अ ब्यूटीफुल चेंज, एंड योर एटीट्यूड टुवर्ड्स लाइफ इज़ वंडरफुल टू बी एमुलेटेड, एंड इट वाज वंडरफul meeting you when you were kids at your home, and the warmth that you gave to all of us was really wonderful. So beautiful. Thank you, Madhumita. Because of you, we all could meet, and hopefully we'll be meeting the rest of the persons we haven't met for so long. So have a wonderful day, Madhumita, and all the best to you. Spend time with the children, possible, and looking looking forward to many positive posts from you into Ayara. Thank you.
हाय मधु, हैप्पी बर्थडे। जन्मदिन की ढेर सारी शुभकामनाएं। आज तेरा जन्मदिन है, अच्छे से मनाना, बच्चों को साथ लेके बाहर जाना, और बच्चों को मेरी तरफ से बहुत बहुत प्यार। दे आर सो स्वीट किड्स, रेस्पॉन्सिबल, एवरीथिंग। You are also so sweet, so caring, so loving. God bless you always. Be happy always, Madhu. And हम लोग जब मिले थे, स्कूल गए, कितना अच्छा लगा. And you have cared for every single person. Everyone was feeling so proud. बहुत अच्छा लगा था. Hope फिर से मिलेंगे हम लोग. Thanks. God bless you. Happy birthday again, Mala.
Hello, Madhumita. Happy birthday. May the years ahead be full of happiness and joy. I once again thank you for the group that you created and brought all of us together. You and Sanjeev were very, very instrumental in the same, and still instrumental in keeping the group together and lively. I also admire you and respect you for the way you have taken the ups and downs of life in its stride and being cheerful and lively. Keep it up. All the best.
Hi Madhu, happy birthday and many happy returns of the day. পুরানো সেই দিনের কথা ভুলবি কি যে হয়, সেই চোখের দেখা প্রাণের কথা সে কি ভোলা যায়। Yeah, I know I sang the same song for you, but this song fits us. We have so many happy childhood memories which I always cherish. How I found excuses to be at your place, and we spent hours together. We were together in college, in hostel. We bunked our classes to watch the new released movie and then be at the coffee shop. And in evening, with anxiety, we returned to our hostel. What if we were caught by our warden, and the warden informs our parents? So all these memories I'm going to cherish throughout my life. Wish you many happy returns of the day, and wish you a happy birthday once again. Be happy forever and ever and ever. Bye.
many happy returns of the day. God bless you. पार्टी के लिए जल्दी ही मिलते हैं हम. With love. Bye.
Hi Madhu, how are you? So today is your birthday, right? Happy birthday, darling. You're such a sweetheart. And listen to the music which is coming in the background. It's played in the background. You sang this song for me, so it's for you. Dedicating this song for you. Okay, sweetheart? You know, the day when we met, I can't forget it, you know. It's always there. It's a treasure for me. You know, I collect it and keep it, you know. Those memories. It's just like when I flash back, I feel, it just plays around my head. I feel, yeah, oh, those days. Every day it is there with me in my memory. It is there. The days we spent together, we recollected all those back years, what we did. The naughtiness, the climbing on the tree, plucking the berries, the mango at my place, and the jasmine flowers which I made the garland for you. When you used to come and call me to come in the evening to play with you. You know, those memories, you brought the child in me. You know, we both were children when I was at your place. So well you treated me, Madhu. I felt like I'm in my sister's home, in my own home, you know. Those memories, you know, you made me very young. I know, looking at you, why everybody is so happy. Such a cheerful girl you are, you know. And your beautiful children. You're so blessed with those two children, Vivu and Sunny. Oh, it's wonderful children they are. The way they were with me and my daughter, you know. They treated us so well as their own, you know. I can't forget those moments in. You're such a darling. No wonder everybody loves you. The smile, the energy that you have. You're a true inspiration to everybody. The motivation that you give to each one of us, you know. Truly, amazing. You're an awesome lady, you know. As you celebrate your birthday, you not getting older, but you're getting younger and wiser and more beautiful. Okay? So be happy. Always keep smiling. Keep smiling. And we will be seeing you soon for my son's wedding. I don't know when it will be, but we all will be meeting each other again. That's the promise you have given me, okay? Mimbu, Sunny and you will be there for my son's wedding. I don't know, but you have to take leave and you have to come, okay? And just pray that all of you will be there. So today is a wonderful day as you came into this world to give happiness to all your friends. Your integrity is to be admired and your life is to be celebrated. Still, as the passing of time, you haven't changed at all. You remain the most beautiful person I have ever known. And you always will be. You are my sister. And I love you. So darling, have a wonderful and a beautiful day and an awesome day, okay? Celebrate your birthday. We all friends love you. We wish we were there. I wish I could bake a cake for you. But sadly, when you come for my son's wedding, I will surely make a cake for you. And that time we will cut the cake, okay, for you. So have a wonderful day and a happy and a blessed year ahead. God bless you. Lots of love. A big hug, okay? Love you.